Hey guys, welcome to Pill Reaction. In this video, we will see about a new class of anti-anxiety agent, that is buspirone. It is called as a new class of anti-anxiety because normally all anxiolytics are benzodiazepines, but this drug is serotonin receptor agonist. So let's have a quick reference of buspirone, which is also called as azapirone. Buspirone belongs to a class of selective partial agonist of 5-HT1A receptor used for the treatment of anxiety and sold under the brand names Anaxapir and Buspin. Moving on to the mode of action, since it is a serotonin receptor agonist, first we will see about how serotonin is synthesized. Serotonin is formed from the precursor tryptophan, which is then converted to 5-hydroxytryptophan and further converted to 5-hydroxytryptamine, which is nothing but serotonin. Now, in this neuronal junction, we can see how exactly the serotonin is degranulated from the vesicles and acting on the postsynaptic membrane to produce excitation and anxiety. Now, let's take our drug, that is buspirone. The target for this drug is 5-HT1A receptor, which is present on serotonergic neuronal membranes. When buspirone binds to 5-HT1A receptor, it actually inhibits the release of serotonin from the vesicles. Now, you may think even though buspirone is serotonin receptor agonist, it is inhibiting serotonin release, right? This is because 5-HT1A receptor is a desensitization autoreceptor which is coupled internally with G inhibitory protein to give negative feedback mechanism. Hence, stimulation of this receptor leads to inhibitory activity. Here, serotonin is inhibited as it is more in case of anxiety, thereby decreasing the effects of anxiety and excitation. Benzodiazepines are the drugs used for anxiety disorder for a long time now. So now let's see the advantages of buspirone over benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines will result in sedation, loss of memory, habituation and dependence, and cognitive impairment. All these side effects of benzodiazepines make the advantage of buspirone as it does not cause any of these side effects. But only problem is that buspirone is very slow acting. It takes around 2 to 4 weeks for its maximum therapeutic activity. Hence, buspirone is used in chronic treatment with least side effects. On the other hand, benzodiazepines are very fast acting but are having some of the side effects as mentioned earlier. Now we'll see about the drug interaction. Buspirone is contraindicated with monoamino oxidase inhibitors. This is because the use of monoamino oxidase inhibitor with buspirone will result in serotonin syndrome, where serotonin is more, which results in elevated blood pressure, tremors, sweating, and also complications like seizures may occur. Let's understand how this happens. Monoamino oxidase is an enzyme, this guy here, involved in the metabolism of monoamines. So, what are these monoamines? Monoamines are noradrenaline, serotonin, dopamine. So, they actually decrease the concentration of free serotonin. When we give MAO inhibitors, which inhibits MAO, automatically the concentration of serotonin will increase, right? Because there is no one to metabolize it, thereby causing serotonin syndrome by using two serotonergic drugs. Thank you for watching. If you think this video helped you gain knowledge, then please consider sharing it. Let's learn together. For more such pill reaction videos, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.